You might be using the wrong products if you're trying to get healthier hair, build more volume in your hair. Maybe you're getting, brainwashed by non-hair professionals or influencers who have never spent a day in the salon industry. And sometimes if you're using products, it may be just the product, right? The haircut is what does the shape, that's the foundation, and then the products are designed to help support that hairstyle. Most of the times, if your hair is collapsing or falling flat by noon, or you feel like your hair is always so dry, there's just no life to it, it's maybe damaged, it could be because of the structure of your hair, the actual integrity of your hair. And to fix it, you have to actually kind of rebuild the architecture of your hair before you even, think about applying, other products or the best blow dryer. It really comes down to what are you doing for your hair to make it look and feel healthy. When I engineered 25 spray, I wanted it built with a 5-part protein complex to act as your foundation. First, I use hydrolyzed keratin. This is like the microscopic spackle. It physically fills in the craters and gaps along your damaged cuticle so the surface is smooth and strong again. Then I have biotin in here, which coats the outside of the hair shaft, physically thickening the diameter of every single hair strand. And finally, to make sure your newly strengthened hair doesn't get stiff or break, I've added collagen to restore the elasticity, stopping it from snapping when you brush or blow dry it. Structural strength without flexibility leaves your hair feeling like straw. So I balanced those heavy hitting proteins with an ultra lightweight hydrator. Like for example, I have hemp seed oil, grapeseed oil for shine, plus botanical extracts like bergamot and rosewood to soothe and clarify the scalp environment. So you get maximum structural integrity, zero weight, meaning it's not heavy, and the perfect canvas to lock in your style. Once that foundation is built with 25 spray, think of it as like your multivitamin. You need to add weightless grip. A lot of sea salt sprays on the market are basically just table salt and water. Like it's basically watered down. That's why you need 46 sprays when using other brands' products. It gives you maybe a volume for a short amount of time, but it dries out your scalp possibly, leaves your hair feeling really like crispy or like straw. And as a hairstylist, I wanted to formulate Tidal Wave to be used in a very different, effective way. So I built the foundation for extreme volume using a dual blend of magnesium sulfate and pure dead sea salt. This combination gives you that raw, piecey texture and actively absorbs excess oil at the root to lock in the style in place. I say this like you can use it as a dry shampoo even on second day. You can use this on dry hair. It soaks up the oils. It's a very, very unique, incredible sea salt spray. The real secret to this formula is how I ended up balancing the grit and just the application of it. So I had vegetable glycerin added to this to act as a natural humectant. It pulls the moisture from the air and locks it in the hair shaft, ensuring that the sea salt never becomes, too dry. And finally, I infuse the spray with real kelp and seaweed extracts. This delivers marine amino acids directly to the scalp, keeping it nourished and healthy while you get massive weightless volume. It gives you the exact grit and thickness of spending a day at the beach. Ever come out of the ocean and you're like, oh, my hair just looks phenomenal, looks incredible? Well, that's kind of what this does, but with the hydration of the premium conditioning benefits. You really can't fake this. You can't lie about this type of stuff. Well, actually, people are lying about what their products do. But as a hairstylist for over 30 years, this to me acts like a product I want to have for myself as a professional and for you as a consumer. I'm going to show you a couple of demonstrations here on how this actually works. The 25 spray, think of this again as your multivitamin. After you wash your hair, this is the first thing that you want to spray in your hair. And how do you use this? Well, you want to give it a good shake because it's a thicker liquid. So make sure you're giving it a good shake, and you want to press firmly down on the nozzle and rapidly because, again, it's a thicker liquid. And if you just spray lightly, it's going to shoot out like a laser stream. So make sure you're pressing firmly down, and you probably only need anywhere from 3 to 5 sprays depending on how long your hair is, okay? So once you have this, and it gives a nice even coverage. Once you have this applied to your hair, then what I like to do is just run it through, whether your hair's shorter, whether your hair's longer. You can use, this is an anti-static vent brush, my favorite brush of all time. Brush it all through, especially if you have longer hair, layered hair, your hair, you wanna make sure you're getting this from, even coverage from scalp to ends. And I'm telling you, you will see a night and day transformation after one use of using 25 spray. I keep saying this, it's a miracle spray. Men's hair, women's hair, doesn't matter, but especially if you have dry, brittle, kind of, lifeless hair. Literally people on television, on the news, and people I see are using this and their hair is transformed overnight, all right? So then I spray that in, and then depending on, again, the type of hairstyle that I'm doing, I will go in with Tidal Wave, the sea salt spray. And the main goal of Tidal Wave is it's to give volume in the hair. It's not just, oh, it gives texture. No, this, because I came out with this before any of these TikTokers were even born. So as a stylist, I want the hair to have volume and support it. So what I like to do, depending, if it's a shorter style like this, I'll do 1, 2, 3 sprays, work it through, and then blow dry it. If it's longer hair, I can do targeted sprays. So 1 at the root here, 1 at the root there. If I want it in the front, 1 targeted spray. And here's also another cool thing. I mentioned you can use this like a dry shampoo. So say your hair is like this, it's day 2, it's day 3, you spray it in and you work it in like this. And what's happening, even this mannequin had product in it, and what it's doing is it's actually soaking up those oils, right? And it's becoming more of a matte, natural finish because of the quality of the sea salt and how this was designed. So it's really, really a remarkable product. You can actually style your hair in a somewhat of a light, pliable type of way. And in my opinion, this does more than just, oh, it's viral on TikTok, made by a random person who you've never seen before. This is made, the whole concept behind how I want this to work under my direction as a 30+ year hairstylist. It's a remarkable sea salt spray. And the combination of these two, it's actually, I have this as a duo set. You can actually save a little bit of money. If you click view products, you'll be able to check this out. And I also created some really cool things on my website, my new online store. I actually created a virtual salon area where you can go in and see some hair tips and get the look type of things. It's really, really cool. So that's all available, shop.TheSalonGuy.com. Let me know if you found this helpful. I invite you to check out my range of products. Thank you for the support. I'll see you soon.